Hello my beautiful ladies, welcome back to my channel The Bree Beauty. Today I am going to review one of my favorite 100% organic Indian certified brand, Just Herbs. This brand is all about jari booties and Ayurvedic ingredients. All the products from this brand are super effective and 100% natural. Today I will be reviewing 3 of my favorite hair care products from the brand Just Herbs: Java Kushum oil, Methi Shikakai shampoo and Sirolepam mask. I'll be talking about ingredients, pricing, packaging, application and also pros and cons in this video. So let's get started. Ingredients and benefits. So guys, I'll start with the Java Kushum oil from the brand Just Herbs. Now you can see the packaging is pretty simple. It comes in a plastic bottle with a cap on it, and I will discuss about the packaging in details in the pros and cons section. Now let's talk about the ingredient. Now you can totally guess about the main ingredient from the name only, because it says Java Kushum. It means the main ingredient in this is hibiscus, and it also has henna and amla. So 3 of these ingredients are super effective to take care of your hair, and it really do keep a check on your dandruff, and it claims that it boosts your hair growth. Now I'm using this oil for about a week now, so I can cannot totally assure you about the growth or the boost of growth. So I would say that yes, this takes care of your hair properly, and it makes your hair super soft, super shiny, and the texture. What I love about this oil the most, the texture of this oil. This is super fine and thin oil, and just quick absorbing. So I love applying this oil, especially on the weekend nights. If I am at home, then I apply it onto my scalp thoroughly and leave it overnight, and the next day I really do wake up a good healthy shiny hair. Moving on to Just Herbs Lush Methi Shikakai shampoo. Now I love this shampoo for various reasons. Firstly, its packaging. This is super handy and travel friendly. This comes in a very simple and a plastic jar with a normal cap, but it doesn't have any leakage problem. Next, I love its fragrance. This has a super mild floral sort of a fragrance, and I don't have any problem with this fragrance because this is super mild and give a very divine experience when you shampoo your hair with this shampoo. Third, why I love it the most, because if you are finding a purely chemical free and silicone free shampoo, then this is the best ever one. Trust me guys, because this is not your regular shampoo, but this will work way more better than your regular shampoo. It makes your hair super shiny, and if your hair is chemically treated, dry, damaged, brittle hair, then this is going to be your best friend. Trust me, because this has changed my hair a lot. The texture has become way more better after using this shampoo. I really do love this shampoo a lot. Now let's talk about the texture. The texture is pretty thin and lathers well onto your hair, but it will not foam like a normal or regular shampoo. I will talk about the pricing in the pros and cons section. Now let's talk about my most favorite and the star product from the brand, which is the Sirolepam mask. This mask has amla, shankpushpi and vingraj. From this you can totally guess that this brand believes in strong and effective jari booties rather than packaging, because all 3 products from the brand has super simple packaging with plastic jars and tin caps, and I totally love it, because how is the product that really matters. How it looks, that really doesn't matter. Now if you have frizzy, brittle, and if you have lot of tangles into your hair, then this mask you must give a try, because this will give you a frizz-free, smooth, detangle experience. I love this hair. Like in the last week, I get too obsessed that I have used almost 3 times in a week this mask, and after using this mask you feel like wow, my hair feels like super soft, and you can totally run your fingers through your hair and you will see no frizz, no tangles at all. Now let's talk about the fragrance. I love its fragrance because this is super mild, sensuous, and yeah, a divine one. I love it. Application. To shampoo with Just Herbs Lush Methi Shikakai shampoo, you just need to lather a required amount on wet hair, and it is not a normal shampoo, so very little foam will be there. This is SLS free and this shampoo has hibiscus, wheat germ and vetiver. Once you lather, just rinse it with normal water. Once you wash your hair, just towel dry your hair a little and then take Just Herbs Zero Lepam hair and scalp treatment mask. It has amla, shankpuspi and ringraj and the texture is creamy and buttery. Just take a peanut size amount, massage and warm it between your palms and then apply it from midline to end. What is left over on your hand, just run your fingers through the scalp and wait for 10 to 15 minutes. Pros and cons. Let's start with the Java Kusum oil. This oil retails for 595 rupees for 100 ml. Now this is a little on an expensive side, but this oil literally worth for. Now it is a pro or a con that you have to decide. One more thing, I have a complaint for this oil is that this has a little bit of leakage problem. I wish if I get a pump with this package, then I will be pretty happy for the price. Next is the Methi Shikakai shampoo. Now I would really want to say that I love this product and I love its packaging. It's it's handy, it's travel friendly, doesn't have any leakage problem. Pricing, yes, it's on a little higher one because it retails for 625 rupees for 200 ml. Now it's okay for me. Now you decide it is a pro or a con, but yeah, 200 ml for 625 is okay. So I didn't find any con for this product, so I'm giving 10 out of 10 for this product. This Zero Lepam mask retails for 725 rupees for 200 ml. This is a very affordable one, I would say, because you need a very little amount. Little goes a long way. So 725 for 200 ml is absolutely okay for me, and I hope that if it is lasting for a longer time, it will be okay for you too. So this is a pro, and I don't have any complaint about the packaging or anything. Only I have the complaint for the Java Kusum oil packaging, because when it reaches me, yes, it did leaked a little bit, and it is a little messy when you use a normal you have to press it and pour it onto your hand and then massage it. Rather, if you have a pump onto this packaging, then it will be easy application for all of us and it will be less messy. So that's the only complaint for this. Now pricing, yes, it is on a little higher side, but it is worthy of all of these three products. Now you decide this is a pro or a con. I have no complaint for this. So guys, I hope you have liked today's video, and if you have liked today's video, please give a big thumbs up. Now if you are interested to buy Just Herbs products, then please go to Amazon or Flipkart. All the Just Herbs products are available on Amazon and Flipkart, and I'll be also sharing their Instagram handle and their official website into my description right here. For any information, you can totally send me a mail, or you can also comment in the comment section below. I'll be answering you. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you have liked it. Please do share it with your friends and family, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe it. Thank you guys, love you.